Spoilage, dirt and the need for cleaning is a major part of working with food, and it's essential not to allow dirt to build up. Effective cleaning gets rid of bacteria on hands, equipment and surfaces, so it helps to stop harmful bacteria from spreading onto food or cross-contamination of foods that may cause an allergic reaction like nuts or gluten. Cleaning is also required by law and promotes a good image to the customer. The general advice is to clean as you go and always keep cleaning. The definition of cleaning is the process of removing food residues, dirt and grease, therefore reducing the risk of contamination. Chemicals used in cleaning are known as detergents. The next level of cleaning is disinfection. This is the process of reducing microorganisms to a safe level, and the chemical is known as a disinfectant. Sanitizing is where detergents and disinfectants are used combined in the same cleaning process. Surfaces can be cleaned firstly with a pre-clean to remove food scrapes and waste, and then the main clean. This is where you use a clean cloth, hot water and a sanitizer in a clean bucket, or you can use a hand spray. You must allow enough contact time to let the sanitizer work. After this time, rinse as recommended by the sanitizer manufacturer with clean hot water and allow to air dry, or use disposable paper towels. Some surfaces do not come into contact with food, do not require disinfecting, although they will need cleaning. Ovens may not need disinfecting because the heat will destroy bacteria, but their handles may need to be disinfected. Other things that may need disinfecting are brushes, cloths, buckets and sinks, which may need to be done at intervals during the day. Cleaning and disinfecting consists of 6 stages. 1. Pre-clean to remove loose material. 2. Main cleaning using hot water and detergent. 3. Rinse to remove dirt and detergent with hot water. 4. Disinfecting to destroy microorganisms. 5. Final rinse to remove disinfectant by hot water. And finally 6. Drying, which is preferably done by natural evaporation. If you do not have a dishwasher, then double sink washing is advised, which is where you first remove loose waste by scraping and water, then put the items in the first sink in a hot detergent solution, scrub with a nylon brush. If the water cools, you should replace it with fresh hot water, and gloves are recommended. Place the items in the second sink to rinse off chemical residues and leave for 30 seconds at 82 degrees C to achieve effective disinfection, or use a chemical disinfectant. Then remove the items to dry where they will not get contaminated again. Make sure that all your staff wash and dry their hands thoroughly before handling food. Clean and disinfect food areas and equipment between different tasks, especially after handling raw food. Have a written cleaning policy and schedule documented. Clear and clean as you go. Clear away used equipment, food spills, and also clean work surfaces thoroughly. Use cleaning and disinfection products that are suitable for the job and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Disinfection products should meet BS and EN standards. Check the product labels for either of these codes, BS EN 1276 or BS EN 13697. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and do not mix chemicals. Make sure that food is covered or stored before cleaning to avoid direct or indirect contamination. And use correct cleaning equipment like cloths or brushes. Clean in the correct order to make cleaning effective and safe. Use chemicals in the right volume and the time left on the surfaces. Store mops, brushes and cloths in the correct way to avoid build-ups of bacteria or risks of them coming into contact with food or work surfaces. And finally, keep everything tidy and organised.